The flamingo is pink. The flamingo is pink.
The parrot can talk. The parrot can talk.
The peacock opens its tail. The peacock opens its tail.
I take a photo of a bird. I take a photo of a bird.
The owl is sleeping. The owl is sleeping. The swan swims beautifully. The swan swims beautifully.
The ostrich runs very fast. The ostrich runs very fast. The giraffe is very tall. The giraffe is very tall.
The lion roars loudly. The lion roars loudly.
The zebra has black and white stripes. The zebra has black and white stripes. The rhino is very strong. The rhino is very strong.
The cheetah is the fastest animal. The cheetah is the fastest animal.
The kangaroo jumps high. The kangaroo jumps high.
The camel lives in the desert. The camel lives in the desert.
The meerkat stands up. The meerkat stands up.
The monkey swings on a rope. The monkey swings on a rope.
The monkey eats a banana. The monkey eats a banana.
The gorilla is very big. The gorilla is very big.
The tiger walks quietly. The tiger walks quietly. The sloth moves very slowly.
What?
The sloth moves very slowly.
The koala hugs the tree. The koala hugs the tree. The lemur has a long tail. The lemur has a long tail. A penguin walks funny. The penguin walks funny. The sea lion balances a ball. The sea lion balances a ball.
The dolphin jumps out of the water. The dolphin jumps out of the water.
The turtle swims slowly. The turtle swims slowly.